Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're actually gonna look at the new Model Y. Just got an email stating that we can now order the Model Y, and we no longer have to, do the launch edition. So let's hop over there and see what's going on. So let's see. Oops, what did I do? Okay, here we go. So this is the Model Y homepage. You can see the range wise is 327. So it's not more than what the old one used to advertise. Mine was 330. 125 same, but mine was 4.8 second, 60, and this is 4.6 seconds, so 0.2 seconds faster. And this version will qualify for the federal tax credit, which is awesome, which is nice. And then let's say here is $41,490, assuming that mine is the $7,500. Let's click on the explore the features. So here's the new features. What's new? Like the new front and rear light bars. So this is it. So they kind of like resemble like Cybertruck, and the back lights kind of nice. Kind of like it. So basically, it's redesigned to increase aerodynamic efficiency and range. So that doesn't show me because it actually has less range than my Model 3. But again, when you look at this, the range that they've given you, that is in the laboratories test, where you might not use the air conditionings, you're not going uphill, you're not towing anything. So even though it's advertised at 327, you might not get those numbers, right? You probably get like 290, 300. So expect that. Refined interior, it looks really nice, right? So maybe one of these days I'm gonna go do like a demo video for you guys. I want to do it because it's right by here. We refined interior, wraparound ambient lighting, so you can see all the lightings here, which is nice, from the front all the way to the back. And it has a 15.4-inch touch screen, ventilated seats for the summer in California. That'd be awesome. So just whatever state you're in, Nevada, it's hot. And it does come with the rear screen, which is awesome. Only have it like in the X and the S and the Cybertrucks. So everything from every seat. So basically that. Power recline, second row seats are full flat and 8-inch touchscreen. If you watch my video, my previous video, I did the rear entertainment from Test Studio, which is easy. Probably will take you guys about like 20 or 30 minutes to install. Very, very easy. And if you have kids, they're gonna enjoy it. And improve connectivity, enable more range for phone key, clear calls, and faster cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity. Retune suspensions. Look at the lightings here. Look at the speaker grill. Looks kind of nice. Invisible speakers. So the inside, there's nothing much change from the previous editions. Besides the ventilated seats, the seat design, the ambient lightings, and the rear screens. But that's pretty much it, right? And the front facials, the lights, and the rear lights, and the rest still like the same. I mean, like this, I don't know, because if the Model Y was already good, it's kind of hard to make improvement, So, and usually companies don't make drastic changes within maybe 3 to 5 years, So moving on to, we can pick the color like always. Right now the stepped gray is included, but if you want any other color, you got to pay the additional. The white now is 1,000, the blue is 1,000, black 1,500, and the ultra red 2,000. They got rid of the multi gloss red, which I got, was 2,000. The silver. Of all the colors, I still want the red color, the ultra red, or the quicksilver. And let's go stick to the basics. So they offer you the 19-inch wheel, cross flow wheels, or you can get the 20-inch, the Helix, for $2,000 more. And then if you want the tow package, $1,000, just like before, and included in the interior. The black color is included, but if you want the white interior and black, you pay $1,000 more, right? So it's still the same. And charger, if you want, you can buy the home charger here, accessories here, you know, roof rack, you can do that. And right now, 1 to 3 weeks, that's pretty fast. Because the last time I checked on the Model Y inventory, it was completely gone. So Tesla is really good with pushing out the inventory and get rid of all the vehicles, because they know the new Model Y is here. And if they don't do that, the old price cars, they would have to lower the price dramatically, so they got rid of it. So, and look at the pricing, the breakdown for this, right? Let's say it's $49,000 included the premium connectivity. That is basically the connection, the cellular for your car. Basically, it's good for your Sentry mode, your what else? Sentry mode, and your GPS, your navigations. Some people say they'd rather use the hotspot, but you know what? I'd rather just pay like a year. I think it's $99, something like that. You save like 2 months, or you can do like a monthly for $9.99. And then the destination fee is about the same. And then the order fee, everything comes out to be about $50,630 minus that. You ended up with $43,100. And with the everything, estimated purchase price, probably plus tax and everything, $50,600. And you only pay today, it's just $250. And you click on there and then just order. And Tesla is they streamlined the whole ordering process. Is like really quick. It's I ordered mine like really fast. Everything you do through online, right? Your financing, your loan, everything really fast. And by the time that when they let you know your car is ready to be picked up, you just report over there. You look for your car. You get all excited, right? And Tesla is weird because sometimes they put a bow on the vehicle, but my car didn't get that. My friend, when he bought his Model Y, he got a bow, a red one, but mine it just had like a little 8.5 by 11. Says John, congratulations, Jonathan. That was it, and there you go. But it's really easy. You don't have to. There's one price for everybody. You don't haggle. You don't go back and forth. You don't talk to the manager to lower the price. That is the price. You like it, you buy, you pay, and you pick up and you drive. Also, if you're new to Tesla and when you do the pickup, you gotta accept the delivery, right? And you go check a look at the car, right? And if there's any imperfection to the car, you have 100 miles or 3 days to take pictures and to put in a service request through the app, right? And that's how they're gonna fix it for you. I think I had like 3 minus 1, and ever since then, car's been driving good. Almost 6 more months or 8 more months, then I'll hit like I'm only at 21,000 miles right now. I don't drive much, but yeah. So right now, it looks like it's a pretty good time. If you the market for Tesla, you're looking for a refined Model Y, you know, this is it. You can order now and expect it 1 to 3 weeks, right? That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, if you use my referral code, you can save up to, I think, $1,000 or $2,000 depending on the model you get. But I think the Model 3 and Model Y, you save $500, and it will be in the descriptions. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.